Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1-inch screen from 2 CCFL to our UB54 series LED strips, LED kits. This LED kit comes with one LED strips, one drivers, one 6-pin pigtails. So let's set aside the LED for a second and take a look at the screen. This screen is actually made by Sharp. Okay, the screen part number is LQ121S1DG61. LQ121S1DG61, which is a TTL interface. To upgrade from CCFL to our UB54 series is quite easy. You see the screw, the small screw here holding the reflectors. First we need to unscrew this, and then we pull the whole reflector out, and just grab the wires. Okay, grab the wire slowly. See that? So it took a while. The lamp's really bad, you know. Okay, so it's quite easy, you know. You just remove it, the wires. Okay, and you remove the wires. Okay, see this? See, almost burned. The wires burned too, so look at this. Alright, we take it out. Then we're gonna mount the LED strip back to the same spot right here. So just peel off this double-sided tip. Well, peel off the cover first, and then just like that. Just 1 second at a time. You push down, make sure the double-sided tip stick to the reflectors. Alright, so then make sure you bend these wires to this side. Oh, this has a little bit crack, so but that's fine. Alright. Okay. Now, use the screw back. Okay. You can add a piece of wire. Yeah. Okay. Now, this one you can connect to either end. Okay, either end is fine. And the 6-pin pigtail, it's color coded. And adjustment, dimming control, usually there's no connection, but yellow is very important. It's for the enable, so you need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts to pay yellow wire in order to turn this thing off, on and off. Okay, thank you for watching.